Hi friends, I'm Papa Nick. Welcome to Teardown. Let's go ahead and jump right in. It's a game that's Ocean's 11 meets Minecraft meets explosions. Campaign mode it is. Oh, okay. Interesting. Is that my home? I said walk home. Oh, yeah, this is my home. I live in the train storage. Oh. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like that. Oh, but that's how you're meant to... Okay, got it. Got it. Yep, physics! Pick up your tools. Extinguisher. Spray can. Sledgehammer. Replace the fuses and turn on the power. Oh man, I tilt pretty hard when I'm moving side to side. Alright. Don't know why I need a hammer. Oh, because I don't take care of my own stuff. Maybe this is in the way? Oh. Excuse me. Pardon me. Alright. Yeah, alright. There we go. Oh, easy peasy. Oh, okay. Alright, messages. The gas bill. Ugh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Alright, sure. Okay, good evening. My name is Gordon Wu, General Manager at Evertide Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our popular plans for a new wing, and I need someone to knock it over. That is a bit suspicious. Is that someone's house? Okay. Let's knock it over. Now, this is a game about committing crimes, so, I feel like somebody probably lives here. Too tall. What is this? Oh, water thing? Bam! No water for you. No. Alright, just kidding. Oh. Propane tank. Oh, okay. Well, I don't want to get caught by the... Is someone in there? I feel like someone lives here, guys, and I'm feeling bad about that. Otherwise, how do I get in? No, I don't want to throw it at the door. There we go. What? Alright, breaking and entering. I mean, yeah, there's a light on. Let's just turn that off. Anybody home? No? Okay. Well, okay, I'm not doing a murder, so it's fine. Okay, to throw an object, click, click, click. Wow, I must be... Oh, don't do that. I must be really good at throwing. Okay, I need to stop doing that. Boop. Okay, I know I get vehicles at some point, and I'm hoping it's sooner rather than later. Not as efficient as I had hoped. Ow. Alright, well, then there's only one thing to do. Start with the foundation, and then the rest will fall. Pop, Bop, 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 bop. Strongest man in the world. Bricks, bricks, bricks. Oh, can I not? Oh, that's probably what the explosives were for. Wow, this is a well-built house. It's literally holding on to just this. That's a car. Can I? Oh. Alright, guys. When life gives you lemons... Okay, how good is this at breaking stuff? Alright, better than my arms, because I couldn't break that. Oh, this car sucks. Okay, alright, okay, alright. There it is. Escape vehicle. Okay, well, weird to call it that when I was just doing my job, but sure. Interesting. Ooh, cracking my knuckles. Yeah, I sleep with a hammer, don't you? Yeah, I suppose that was the only answer. What the hell is this? Alright, well, I didn't see no trip alarms, so let's do it speed run style. I need... What is that sign, by the way? Oh, gross water. Don't go in here. Boop. Bushes. Alright, okay. Might regret that. Alright. Well, what's that? Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Okie doke. Alright. Okay, alright, cool. I think I got my way out. Bop. I'm gonna break doors just to break doors. Bop. That'll teach you. That'll teach you. Bop. Alright, the other one was in here. Let's see. I went through the window. Oops, daisies. Smash. Smash. Okie-doke. Piece of cake. Okay. Bada boom. Bada boom. Okay, hey, all right. Come on, guys, with the trying to make me explode nonsense. Not really what I was going for. Okay. Okay, and now we just run, right? Oh. Oh, okay. No, I'm not gonna do that. That's for babies. You're gonna make me do that? You're gonna make me do that. Quick save, man. Oh, got out. I wonder if I could have bridged that gap with a truck. Whatever. Too late now. Got it. And this time, I'm ready. Bye-bye. A basic cake. Oh. It shows my escape route. That's cool. So really I could have... Oh, I could have broken through the wall right here, run across. Okay, alright. Wait. Let's not do that. Okay. Fall. 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 Oh my gosh. Please fall. I'm not the ultimate crook. I'm the worst crook. Come on. Alright guys, so it turns out I'm a worse crook. There's no alarms on this level other than a fire alarm, so as long as I don't start a fire, I'm fine. And all I gotta do is knock down a building, and I have 10 whole bombs to do it, and what the resources are just lying around, and... Well, guys, I think we're gonna end the video there, and, you know, we'll check back in when I've got more weapons and abilities and general skills in real life. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully by then I have bullets for my guns, and I have ideas that actually work. Clearly, I am not cut out to be a criminal, but... You know what? I don't know where that was going, actually. I'm kind of, I'm just bad. I'm just bad in general. Alright, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Alright, guys. It's really just a problem now, okay? My pride as a thief is on the line, so let's do this. And this time I brought a special little gadget. A special little gadget. Let's see here. What kind of super criminal would I be without a laser? Alright, there we go. See, I just didn't have the tools required for my profession. That's all it was. It's not that I'm a bad crook. Oh, no, 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 no. The fire, right? The fire. We've been over this many times. No, 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 no. Burn it all down. You have incurred my wrath, and now I'm going to burn down your business. All right. Thanks for nothing, jerks.